Hi friends, it's Julia. I'm here today because I'm playing along with 30 Days of Sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life Round 7. And today is day number 9. Today's sketch is one by Lisa House. And it is for Color Me Scrappy. Is that a blog? Anyway, that's where it's from. And this is what it looks like. Sorry it doesn't show the outside parameters. It just all kind of blends into the white background. But anyway, it's 2 photos. It's got a large element here. It looks like there's a lot of splatters or mixed media on the background. It looks like there's a central piece of paper across the middle. So let me show you what I pulled in. It doesn't necessarily match, but yeah, we'll see. So I pulled my title, and it's Winter Storm 2015. And then I have all of these stickers from the random sticker sheets that are in my stash. I have my 2 photos. One is horizontal, one is vertical. Can you see outside my garage door? That snow right there is probably about 3 foot tall. Yeah, you can see a solid foot of snow at the bottom there. It was crazy. Crazy winter storm. We just don't get that in my part of the country very often. So I pulled in some of the 4.5 by 6.5 pieces of paper that I have in the kit, or that I pulled in to go with the kit from Stampin' Up. I pulled in another book paper. I pulled in this bingo card, and then I pulled in these stickers, and then a sheet of cardstock. Now I have tons of scraps over to the side, so I don't know if I'm going to pull in some of that to work on this. I don't know. We'll see as I go along. I have tons of stuff to play with to keep me going to create a layout, but I also may want to change things up since I have so many scraps available at this point. When I initially put these little page kits together, I did not have any scraps already, and so yeah, now that I do, I might want to pull some of those in. So we'll see as I'm playing along what I'm going to do. So yeah, that's where I'm at. And I will show you a close-up of the sketch, and then I will be back to show you what I have created. But I would encourage that if you have not already been over to Christy's YouTube channel, head over there and see what she's got posted today, along with all the other ladies that are joining in on this round of Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches. So anyway, I'll be right back. Okay friends, I am done with layout number 9 for Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches round 7. Here's my sketch, and then here's what I have left over. As far as what I pulled in pattern paper wise to use, I had pulled those in and didn't end up using them. That's okay, they'll go back into my 4.5 by 6.5 pad. I did use a scrap of paper here and a scrap of paper here. They will go back into my stash. I just had my title on there and a few little random stickers, and I used all of that. And then I did use the 2 border strips that I had on this sticker sheet, and I pulled in this sticker from this sticker sheet, and I pulled in half of this flourish shape. They come like this. I have one in cream color. Well, it looks like that. So yeah, I used half of that one, and that is a want to scrap bling. I used several more stickers from this sheet, and here's my layout. So as you can see, I did use my 2 photos, but I flipped sides. Instead of having them on this side, I put them on this side because both photos show us looking at this angle, and I felt like if I put it over here, it didn't feel right. I know, weird that I am. Anyway, I did bring in that random sticker here, another sticker here, and then the flourish here. I just popped that up with a little bit of foam adhesive, so it gave it a little bit of lift around that pearl piece. Here's a couple of stickers with some flat back pearls. All those little phrases down here and some flat back pearls. I put my title here. I put the book page and the bingo card here and just put my title over top of it. They really don't represent anything. They're just there. I brought in this little ticket to put my journaling on, and then I added a craft border strip down here, and then you can see the stripe paper. I added a couple of border strips there, and then that central piece is the border strip there. I should have probably just used a small portion of those to go on either side, but I didn't. I ran it all the way across. This one, you know, the story behind this is the day after the storm, we were going to get up and run to the store to pick up a few things because, you know, it's what you do when there's a storm, right? So, and you forget something like milk or eggs or bread, whatever you forget. So my husband opened the garage door and there was all of this snow. And so it was either spend a couple of hours shoveling snow to get the car out or just leave it. We left it. We bypassed whatever we needed from the store and just, you know, waited a couple of days. He did shovel a path down, and I think he shoveled his truck out because there wasn't much to that. Shoveling a path to the door and then basically shoveling behind it to get it out of the driveway. Yeah. But the car in the garage was my son's car. We had swapped out before Christmas. We had taken them their Christmas gifts in my car, in my SUV, and given that to him rather than load it from one vehicle to another because it was a cold, windy day. He just took my vehicle, loaded down with all the gifts. I brought his vehicle back home, and then like a week or two later, we swapped vehicles again. So it worked. So that's his car sitting in my garage. And there was no way. It's a little car. It wasn't going to get out of that garage anytime soon without shoveling. That's at least a foot of snow right there. And then the drift itself was probably about 3 foot up against the garage. Anyway, I will have close-up photos at the end of the video. And if you have not gone over and joined Christy's Facebook group yet, please head over there and join up so that you can see all the inspiration from everybody else. Every day she posts the sketch, of course, online on the Facebook group, and then everybody will put their layouts that they have created under that post, and oh my goodness, the layouts that are coming through are just flippin' amazing. I am shocked. You know, you think you've seen it all and how people's creativity is just phenomenal, but to see it every day like this is just amazing. I love it. You guys need to go over and join her group. Don't forget to tag all of if you post anywhere, make sure you tag it with the hashtag 30DSCBL7. Anyway, guys, I will see you guys on the next video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.